Good afternoon and welcome to my first unboxing. This is a Takstar 598 microphone and I'm so excited to get this. This should be great. The Takstar is a shotgun style microphone and it should dramatically improve my audio. So let's open it up, see what we got. So let's see what's in the box. We have a manual. No, we have a piece of paper. Basically just a quick start guide. Nice little velvet bag for storing. Ooh, that new car smell. Okay, and here we have it. The Takstar 598 shotgun style microphone. As you can see, it has three settings on it. One is an on-off, one is a 10 decibel audio increase, and the other one is a bass filter, which helps supposedly take out some of the background noising. We're going to have to play with some of these settings and see what they're like. This is my first external microphone. The cord is permanently attached, but this looks really cool. I'm excited about this. This should help me out, because what you're listening to now, audio-wise, is direct off the camera. We also have this little bag here. Oh, they gave you some spare clips for the shock mounts, which are in the front and in the back here. That is pretty cool. I am really happy. I can't wait to check this out. I also purchased a Rode microphone extension cable, so I can run the microphone and boom it from overhead. That way it won't be fixed on top of the camera. This is a 10-foot cable. Oh, let's hook this up, see what it sounds like. Okay, we have the new microphone on. How's the audio sounding now? Hopefully it's a dramatic improvement over to what I did have. So, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hoping this sounds good. Really hoping it sounds good, because my audio was not the greatest before. Hang on a sec and we'll try out that 10 decibel volume boost and see what difference it makes. Okay, I just turned on the 10 decibel volume boost. How does the audio sound now? Is it picking any extra static up from the room? Any buzzing and humming? Won't know until we get to play this back and check it out. But there you have it. This is the Takstar 598 microphone. Just to let you know, I am not sponsored by this company whatsoever. This is just something that I wanted, the same as the extension cord for the microphone. I am not sponsored. Something I desperately needed to improve my audio on here. Well, that's it for this unboxing. So until the next time, see you then.